Hi there, this is my 2001 T64 Bobcat skid steer loader. It only has 310 hours on it. It's in great condition. We're going to take a little walk around it, show it to you, then look at the attachments, and then watch how we put attachments on here with the Bobcat system. Now I'm going to show you a few of the attachments that it comes with. Comes with a backhoe. Comes with a brush hog. Comes with a stump grinder. Right here. Comes with a grappler bucket and a land planer. One of the neat features about the machine is the Bobcat system that hydraulically connects the attachments. You don't even have to get out like in the old days. And this is the tree boom. We pick up these large cabbage palms that you see around here with that. Bobcat, one of the new features on this model is it's got heavy duty arms on it. And it's got a lot of reach. If you had a bucket on there and you wanted to fill up a dump truck, you'd have no problems. But if you're serious about a great machine in great condition with low hours on it, give me a call at 239-300-8115. Thanks.